design and printing brings concepts to life using creativity, practical skills, and digital knowledge. Today, 3D printers are used in all types of applications, such as constructing airplane parts, building movie props, and recreating ancient artifacts. The UTSC Library Makerspace can help introduce digital making into your courses. 3D design is the process of creating a model that can be fabricated with a 3D printer. There are several 3D design platforms available to help turn your ideas into a three-dimensional printed reality. Some programs are geared towards the beginner, while others are for the more experienced user. "3D printers build three-dimensional objects from a digital file. Most printers build the object layer upon layer, starting from the base until it reaches the top. The substance used most often in 3D printing at the UTSC Library Makerspace is a biodegradable polymer made of renewable raw materials. Making is a creative, iterative process of ideation, designing, prototyping, and evaluating to address new needs or develop solutions to existing challenges. The work can be interdisciplinary and distributed across platforms and levels of expertise. Digital fabrication through 3D design and printing builds a learner's knowledge and proficiency with tools, technologies, and the design process, contributing to a variety of learning outcomes. Students shift from knowledge consumers to knowledge creators within the pedagogical framework when 3D fabrication methods are incorporated. Students in a variety of disciplines have incorporated 3D design and printing for creative expression and demonstrating application of knowledge in prototyping and visualization. The Makerspace offers online and in-class sessions to introduce students to 3D design and printing. We can brainstorm ideas together to help incorporate digital making into your course curriculum.